Greetings, fellow explorers of knowledge. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the world of extinct animals. These are creatures that have, for one reason or another, disappeared from the face of our Earth. From the majestic dodo bird that once strutted the forests of Mauritius to the ferocious Tasmanian wolf that roamed the wilds of Australia, we have a lot to cover. Understanding their history, their significance, and what made them unique is not just a trip down memory lane, but a crucial step towards appreciating the diversity of life that once graced our planet. And who knows, you might just find a new favorite animal among these long-lost species. If you're as excited about this journey as we are, don't forget to subscribe and share our video. Your support helps us continue to bring you these captivating tales from the annals of natural history. Stay with us as we delve into the captivating and sometimes heartbreaking stories of these long-lost creatures. Before we dive into specific animals, it's crucial to understand what we mean by extinct. The concept of extinction is a rather grim reality of our natural world. It refers to the termination of an organism or a group of organisms, essentially signifying the end of a species. While extinction can be a natural part of evolution, with species disappearing due to environmental shifts or predatory habits, what's alarming is the rate at which it's currently occurring. Human activities such as overuse of resources, hunting, and habitat destruction have accelerated this process, pushing many species to the brink and beyond. From the majestic dodo bird to the powerful Tasmanian wolf, many creatures have fallen victim to this irreversible fate, leaving us with only fossil records and DNA samples to piece together their existence. It's a sobering thought that the creatures we share our planet with today could be relegated to the pages of history tomorrow. So, when do we declare a species extinct? Well, a species is considered extinct if it hasn't been seen in the wild for the past 50 years. But remember, extinction isn't always the end. As we'll explore later, efforts are underway to bring back some of these lost species, but that's a story for another scene. Now, let's journey back in time and meet some of the most fascinating extinct animals our planet has ever known. Let's start with the prehistoric era, which boasted some of the most awe-inspiring creatures to have ever roamed the Earth. The woolly mammoth, a close relative of today's elephant, was a majestic beast that survived the harsh conditions of the Ice Age. These titans finally succumbed to a combination of climate change and overhunting by humans, disappearing from the face of the Earth around 4,000 years ago. As we move forward in time, we encounter the Tasmanian wolf, an intriguing creature from the island of Tasmania. Despite its name, this animal was not a wolf at all, but a marsupial with a pouch like a kangaroo. The Tasmanian wolf fell victim to hunting, disease, and habitat destruction, and the last known individual died in captivity in the 1930s. Fast forward to the 17th century, and we find the dodo bird living on the island of Mauritius. This flightless bird, with no natural predators on the island, was unafraid of humans. However, this lack of fear proved to be its downfall, as it was hunted to extinction within 100 years of its discovery by European explorers. As recently as the mid-20th century, we saw the extinction of the cheetah in India, largely due to habitat loss and conflict with humans. The cheetah's extinction in India is a stark reminder that extinction is not just a phenomenon of the distant past, but continues to be a pressing issue in our own time. These animals, although no longer with us, have left a lasting impact on our planet and its biodiversity. Each extinction event is a loss, not only of a unique species, but also of the intricate web of life that connects all living beings. As we continue to learn about these extinct animals, we are reminded of the fragility of life and the importance of conservation efforts to prevent further loss of biodiversity. You might be wondering, why does it matter? Why should we care about animals that no longer exist? It's a valid question. However, extinct animals hold a significant place in our world's biological narrative, weaving a tapestry of biodiversity, ecological balance, and evolution. This isn't merely about nostalgia for the lost wonders of the world, or about resurrecting dodo birds or woolly mammoths. It's about understanding the intricate network of life on Earth. Every species, extinct or extant, plays a unique role in their ecosystem. The extinction of one species can set off a domino effect, disrupting the balance of their habitat and impacting other species. By studying these extinct species, we can better comprehend the potential consequences of the loss of biodiversity in our current ecosystems. Furthermore, extinct animals serve as a testament to the relentless march of evolution. They are the custodians of Earth's biological history, providing us with invaluable insights into how life has adapted and evolved over millennia. From the giant sloths that once roamed South America to the Tasmanian wolf that prowled the forests of Australia, these creatures tell a story of survival, adaptation, and ultimately extinction. But the importance of extinct animals isn't confined to the past. They can also guide our future. By analyzing the causes of past extinctions, we can identify patterns and predict potential threats to existing species. For instance, the decline of the cheetah population due to habitat loss and human conflict can be a cautionary tale for other species facing similar threats. Moreover, efforts to revive extinct species, like the ambitious project by Colossal Biosciences, are not just about bringing back the dodo bird or the woolly mammoth. They are about pioneering new technologies and strategies for conservation. They are about exploring the limits of genetic science and potentially developing tools to prevent further biodiversity loss. At the end of the day, it's about learning. It's about understanding the intricate dance of life on our planet. It's about recognizing the value of every creature, no matter how small or how long gone. Because every species is a piece of the puzzle, a chapter in the grand story of life. By studying extinct species, we can learn valuable lessons about our own survival and the health of our planet. Apart from their historical significance, extinct animals are fascinating in their own right. They boasted unique characteristics that not only defined their existence, but also played a role in their untimely demise. Take the giant ground sloth, for instance. This colossal creature was a sight to behold, reaching up to 13 feet in length and tipping the scales at over 1,000 pounds. Its size, however, made it a prime target for early human hunters, contributing to its eventual extinction. Then there's the dodo bird, a creature so distinctive it's become synonymous with extinction itself. Native to the island of Mauritius, the dodo was a flightless bird, a trait that made it vulnerable to predators. Its inability to escape danger by taking to the skies combined with human interference led to its complete disappearance from the face of the earth. We also can't forget about the Tasmanian wolf, a marsupial with canine-like characteristics. Its unique feature? A jaw that could open wider than any other mammals, a trait that sadly didn't save it from extinction due to intensive hunting and habitat loss. These unique traits not only make these animals interesting, but also underline the diversity of life on Earth. As we conclude our journey, let's recap what we learned about these remarkable extinct creatures. We delved into the fascinating world of extinct animals, exploring their histories, their significance, and their unique traits. We discovered that extinction can occur due to a variety of causes, from natural events to human activities such as overuse of resources, hunting, and habitat destruction. We also learned about the vital roles these extinct animals played in their ecosystems and the unique characteristics that set them apart. From the dodo bird to the giant ground sloth, these animals were not only important parts of their environments, but they were also incredibly unique in their own right. In recent news, we saw efforts to reintroduce cheetahs in India, plans to revive the dodo bird, and the discovery of ancient pendants made from extinct giant sloth bones, all shedding new light on these animals and their histories. These stories inspire us to appreciate the diversity of life that once filled our planet and serve as a stark reminder of the impact we can have on our environment. The past is a window to the future. By understanding and cherishing these extinct species, we can work towards a future where each living creature is valued and protected. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, by understanding the past, we can help shape a better future for all living creatures.